Hey guys, how you doing? So today on my channel, I'm gonna channel another video, podcast, a session, which is gonna talk about AI. What is AI, and should you be learning it? Who should be learning it? What should be learning it, and why should you be learning it? Maybe not in that order, because I'm not planning on putting this in a very organized way. This is just a channeling from my thoughts, and I hope it would be helpful for some of you to get some direction and some understanding, and I hope it would serve some purpose, right? So, what is AI? Well, you can watch million other videos about AI, the technical ones, the non-technical ones, right? It is the buzzword these days. What I can explain, how I can start, is from the top, and let's filter it down, right? Do you need to learn AI? Well, the chances are, if you are not a computer engineer or involved in hardcore technology, you do not need to give a F about it, right? AI, as per my understanding, is just modern computing. Is is just gonna come up and take place in your mobile phone, in your computer, in your MacBooks, in your iPhones, and you will not even realize it, right? You're just gonna use it like your magic eraser, like your voice translator, like your shopping assistant, or whatever, right? So, as a common man, unless and until you are excited about new technology or involved in technology, there is not much that you need to be worried about in terms of AI or learning about AI, right? As a working professional, depends on the kind of field you are in, and that is the kind of worry that you would need to do about AI. The technical aspects, leave it to the computer engineers, the engineers. The finance professionals would need to worry about their own kind of uh, uh, impact on their industry, what AI would mean for their industry, how it is processing data, how it is manipulating Excel sheets, how it is handling those big files. If it is able to make some financial decisions, if it is able to do audits, if it is able to, how reliable it is. So those are the kind of things that financial industry would need to worry about. The movie industry would need to worry about a totally different thing. They would need to worry about what kind of artificial videos that AI would create, what kind of songs would it create, what kind of deep fakes or fake artists it would create, right? What kind of acting skills these artificially generated characters would process, right? So all these things would be something that movie industry would need to learn about their industry, right? As in terms of AI, for someone who is into social media, they would need to learn more about generative AI, how to write better, how to create better images, how to create more videos, how to put together better stories. Someone who is in sales would need to worry about AI, how AI can help them maybe sort through their leads, or how they are kind of going out and maybe not going out and having conversations or generating pitches, or, you know, something like that, to be interacting with their customers. I mean, every kind of business development people, it might be about the pitch decks, it might be about the presentations, or, unless and until their business specifically deals in AI. But hey, the way AI progresses, I would not be surprised to have a AI soap tomorrow, right? Some version of AI that washes my face. But then you get the point, right? So you should not be worried about AI unless and until you are a hardcore working professional who is technologically involved in, like, an app developer, or something who is involved in software, right? So AI would be a part of it, because your backends and everything might change a lot, right? The entire workflow would change a lot. But as an end user, as a customer, as someone who is not involved with the industry, you can consider AI as just a step above in computing. And the way you did not realize what happened with the cloud, or what happened with the .com, or you just upgrade your mobile phones, right, every year. That's how AI is going to pan out for most of us. For working professionals, you will need to kind of figure out what kind of impact would it have on your own domain, because AI is a very large term. It's like saying computers or machines. Computers have an impact, different impact on different industry. Machines and automations have a different impact on different industries. So they will have very different way that they would be impacting fashion designing industry or a restaurant industry or a finance professional or a media professional, right? Or a politician, right? So it is going to have a very different role for different people. And that's something that you will need to uh, study and understand at a very personal level and at a very industry level, right? So that's probably about it for this video. I hope there was some structure to the thought. It helps you understand what AI is and would you need to learn more about it or not, right? Let me know if I'm missing some videos or, sorry, if I'm missing some points or there are some questions which are left unanswered because as I said, it's just going to be a channel and not very organized. So let me know in comments and I would love to answer them further. Yeah. Have a good day.